Hello, how are you? Namaskar, namaskar. Breathe like the veneers are also looking very nice. अच्छा है, we can try to do, but don't expect like एकदम से normal हो जाएगा, but जो अभी है उससे approx 60 to 80% improvement आने की chances है, ठीक है? And we may require ear cartilage, ओके, कान से एक छोटा सा हड्डी सपोर्ट के लिए, क्योंकि जनरली क्या करते हैं कि जो नाक का पर्दा है उसी में से हड्डी को लेके यहाँ पे सपोर्ट के लिए लगाते हैं, बट इफ दैट इज नॉट सफिशिएंट मे बी वी विल टेक सम एडिशनल बोन फ्रॉम द ईयर, कान से हड्डी को सपोर्ट देने के लिए, ठीक है? एंड देयर वोंट बी एनी स्कार, कान के पीछे हम कट दे के ये जो बीच वाला जो बोन है वो निकालते हैं, ठीक है? So it doesn't leave any scar, any deformity, any problem, even मतलब कोई जो कट है वो भी बाहर से नहीं दिखता है, ठीक है? So we have 26-year-old girl with us, and she was a known case of bilateral complete cleft lip and cleft palate, and she underwent multiple primary as well as secondary cleft surgeries in her childhood and at the later date as well. As we commonly see in a cleft cases, around 40 to 70% cleft cases with a complete cleft, they end up having a maxillary hypoplasia. Their upper jaw doesn't grow well, and lower jaw grows normally or little ahead of the normal growth, and because of that thing they have underbite issue and a lot of functional issue like chewing, difficulty in chewing, difficulty in speaking. Speaking problem is also because of the short palate. She also had a VPI, velopharyngeal insufficiency, which was causing nasality, and we primarily decided to correct the skeletal deformity. So she first contacted Dr. Harsh Misra, who is our orthodontist and who does a great job at our clinic, and he manages many cleft cases as well as non-cleft cases for orthognathic surgery. So he did a very great job, and he prepared her for the surgery with pre-surgical orthodontics, which took around 1.5 years, and then she came to us and we decided to go for bijaw surgery with Rhinoplasty. So first we took her digital 3D record, so we advised her for the CT scan, and then we have taken dental scan, and we have taken her photographs, and with the use of VSP software, which is NemoFab. We have NemoFab at our clinic, and we uploaded all the data on our software, and then we did our computer planning for the surgery, and then we discussed with her and as well as her parents. So once after everyone agreed on the planning, we proceeded with the surgery a year back, and we did the surgery. Surgery took around 5.5 hours total, and she was in the hospital for around 3 days, right? And after 3 days she was discharged. Her hospital course was quite comfortable, very minimal swelling, her intake and everything. She resumed very fast, and then after 3 days we discharged her, and then she, after a month, she started with post-surgical orthodontics with Dr. Harsh Misra, and I think he finished post-surgical orthodontics in another 8 months time, right? And then she had little teeth issues, so I think he planned for the veneers over her teeth, and now this is like 1 year post-op, and her jaw surgery result is quite stable. She has a very good bite and very good look as well. Her profile is also quite nice. So almost we achieved all the objectives. Now she has a few secondary issues like the nose deformity is still there, and she has VPI. Almost there was no major impact on her speech even after bijaw surgery, but since the VPI was there before surgery, so Now we are planning to address VPI and her nose deformity, as well as some secondary lip correction we are planning maybe in couple of months. So that's the story of a pretty 26-year-old girl.
मेरा भी 1 साल पहले माइक्रो सर्जरी हुआ था, करेक्टर में सर्जरी किया था मेरा, और एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा, कुछ ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं हुई और बहुत कम स्वेलिंग था, कुछ पेन नहीं हुआ, एकदम 0 पेन था और एकदम स्मूथ था मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ऑन द सर्जरी। बिफोर सर्जरी मेरा बाइट बहुत अच्छा नहीं था, सर्जरी के बाद एकदम अच्छे से बैठे हैं अभी सब दांत, बाइट करने में बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है और स्माइल भी एकदम अच्छा हो गया है। फर्स्ट कर में भी बहुत अच्छा किया स्माइल के लिए, स्माइल बहुत अच्छा हो गया है।